Hello. Make a short video in between rainstorms. Everything definitely got soaked. Needed it. See these cherry berries still holding on. Different places. Where you at? There you are. Okay, let's go through here. See these hardy hibiscus are getting bigger. Look like they have bloom heads on top of them. This fig has a little fig somewhere on it. There they are. Oh, it's got two. Cool. The Thai dwarf, Giambo persimmon, Matsumoto. Fruit is still hanging on. I'm gonna have to thin some of that because it'll break these branches. Chantilly. Yeah, definitely have to get out here and do some weeding. Contorted, looks really nice. Starting to fill back because the deer decimated that last year. Everything looks good. Oh, another Matsumoto over here. Fruit. So it's got a horrible lean to it. I'm gonna have to stake it up, especially with that fruit getting bigger. I took out that one persimmon. I put in Miss Molly Budlia. And at least give it something pretty to look at. This Hanafuyu, giant Hanafuyu. These fruit are huge. Everything definitely got soaked. I watched that one video a couple weeks ago, and yeah, this grass looks horrible. I mean, my weed patch. Live in the woods. This is all been woods, but I'd like to have some grass. So, oh, the lantana is going off. Hibiscus over here looks pretty too. I'm having to move. I had a hibiscus over here too that I moved to the little front section because the deer came through and ate everything. So they'll still eat it up there, but they don't get really that brave to get up towards the cabin until August. So at least I'll get to look at them next year till August. You can see over here. This is where they ate this hibiscus, and then of course they ate the tops of the impatiens. Yeah, my salad bowl for deer. Everything's getting huge. Even the last tree. This is a another. Well, this is American persimmon. It's I forgot the name of it. Dang it. Yeah, but this is a Illinois everbearing mulberry, and it's finally growing up tall enough to where it can get above where the deer can munch on it, and then in a couple of years it'll look like this one. Oh, this is a Proc persimmon. Yeah, and it looks good. I have like a armadillo. It's gone through and oh, and I got a rabbit. Hello, Mr. Bunny. He's trying to be still because I snuck up on him. Go, go. We'll go. Don't. I can see you. All right, kid. You're just gonna sit there, huh? All right. I'll leave you alone. Yeah. This Yamamata has fruit on it, which will be like the first year I've got to try it. I'm gonna go through and sneak back around this Rose of Sharon. It's a blue chiffon. I can see little buds on it, so start to get flowers. This looks really nice over here. Oh, this persimmons stink. Got these 2 Chicago hardy figs I put in. Another blue chiffon. And then I got this American persimmon sitting on top of that lantana. I finally got around to trimming these pomegranates, and then I just cut the top off this one because it was just laying on the ground. So, don't have any fruit on it, so it doesn't really matter. I mean, Mr. Bunny's still there. I'll leave you alone. Yeah, you can see the deer came in and ate my peaches. Oh, ate the leaves, don't really eat the peaches. Which is weird, you'd think they would eat the peaches. But they don't. Let's see. I want to drip all that cold water down on my back. But you see, everything looks really nice. You hear the puppy over there barking, or the pack of puppies, wolf pack. This Saijo is getting enormous, and it didn't produce as much this year. I mean, it has them in certain spots, but I mean, it was just dripping last year with fruit. And this JH Adriatic is finally fruiting up. Fig tree, Matsumoto over here. I'll do like a little loop. This Haichia, it's pretty consistent. It has fruit on it every year. Probably need to get up there and trim up that mulberry so this Haichia can grow through the top and have its light. I did that over here with this Tananashi because the deer came in and munched everything. You can see the world's best over here. They got it. Nothing on my Smith fig over here. But yeah, I'm starting to, the leaves are now brushing up against each other, so it's hard to walk through. You walk through here. I gotta watch for snakes. Ever since I saw that snake skin the other day. Yeah, this is, like I said, the deer come through. This catmint nepeta creeping over the side, looks beautiful. Gets proven winners cat's pajamas or something like that. Hi, this is, this is why I'm not sure that this is a Fuyu, because it has that blocky look on some of them. I don't know. This is not even the same tree. This is the Fuyu. You see Fuyu, normal fruit. This is from the tree that's over here, and I think it's a Tamcan because it has that squarish looking fruit. All right, go back through. Fat boy. Oh, dripping right in my face. Yep. The Rojo Brillante growing up. Persimmon over here. This is nice that it's pushed through. The deer came through and pruned for me, so I didn't have to do that. Because this what's it? What kind of, I forget. Because I don't ever go back in this corner. This Rosianka is always covered up by that tree. Won't be long. The deer started snacking on these leaves. And this one I gotta stake up a little bit better too. Everything looks nice. This is that world's best. Had to come back from the ground because of the late breeze. Nikita's gift has its fruit. Another Rosyanka will take up this, pretty much this whole area. I got the hiccups, sorry. My pear's got a pear or two. Yep. And they're getting bigger. I'll probably be giving these to my friend Dave. He likes pears. Or my ex-wife, she likes them too. Ashley, my daughter, and I don't really care for them. But, you know, it's a good thing about having friends or being social, because you can just always give stuff away you don't like. Somebody's gonna like some fruit, especially free fruit. Cost of everything today. Diablo getting bigger, pushing on new growth. Hychia putting on a little new growth. Another Smith's Best looking nice. I say this every video, but Buddha, I'm not gonna trim him back. I'll get back there one day. I think I'm gonna put like one of those big giant grass things back over here, because this gets morning sun or all the way till late afternoon. And I like to cover up this little area and then this little spot right through, so people don't just come drive by and always want to look in here. I mean, everyone's curious, it's okay, but that tree looks like a little red bud in front of that frog. I don't know what kind it is, but it could be. I'm gonna go back into the dark side. Yikes. Oh, I stepped on a turtle. Mr. Crane. They made it through the storms. Yeah. Well, I told you I had an armadillo down in here digging stuff up. It's either that or those damn puppies. Kick the dirt back up in there. It's another Rosa Sharon. Pink chiffon. I got two of them. I'm gonna go through next year and put ferns and some hellebores under all this to give it some color, to give it something different, because I'm tired of looking at weeds and mulch. Let's see, let's go through here. See these. Oh, the deer have decided that they don't want this Rosyanka here. I'm kind of glad. I don't really like it either. This Chicago Hardy fig tree, it's got figs. This one's got figs. Go over here with this Smith's Best persimmon. Pretty, fruity. That's a beauty bush over there. You'll get those purple berries on them. You can eat them. I've had people like tell me how beauty bush tastes so great. Well, I guess you gotta have like a selected variety, because the ones that just grow wild here, they have like zero taste at all. Let's see, let's go in here and look at this Chicago Hardy loaded. Haven't seen anything on this yet. This is that green teen. It's Lebanese fig. Nothing on it yet. Let me go back. Let me go back through. Just walk down the front. I can look at both sides. Yep. Stinky mushroom compost. This is the other Smith fig. Rain has pushed it down. Another Chicago Hardy I planted last year has fruit on it. Fruit last year wasn't good, but like I said before, the fruit on a lot of brand new figs, they don't really taste that good. Let's see. This is it. World's Best, or is that a Thai dwarf? That might be a Thai dwarf. Let's see, hardy hibiscus, pecans. Saw a stray kitty just running by, either that or a rabbit. I think it was a kitty. Man, well, they're gonna start touching again. Tree to tree. And go through and have to trim them back. I decided to leave this peach one more year, then I'll replace it in the winter. Then this peach, you know, always has fruit all over it. The rose I had in one of these urns last year, I put in the ground, has little rosebuds forming on it, so that's nice. This Izu holding on to some fruit, and it's enormous. I think we're starting to steam up because the sun is coming out. This Celeste, man, it's already growing over the top of the cabin. Honey jar, loaded. This is the Coldodom Blanca Negra. That's gonna be nasty. Looks like something bore into it. Yeah, the rain made it nasty. Yeah, it's spoiled. But I have another one, another Brava down here that's huge. I'll probably wait a couple days, let it try to dry out. But everything's coming in. I don't know why my echinacea looks so bad, because I was overwatering it. And as soon as I found out, hey, you just kind of let them dry out, it pissed down rain for like 3 hours today. It's supposed to rain all week, so we'll see. I just planted some over here too, so but everything starting to really look nice. Hopefully I planted all these perennials and they'll come back and I won't have to spend the money I spent this year on flowers, and not have to do, of course, do the mulch again. But yeah, like to hear this buddleia really taking off. I'm gonna put in a salvia. Here's one of the hibiscus back there in the back that I took from where the deer were munching on it before the deer actually munched on that one. I got it over here, and then I'll put 2 more. This is a Lee covered with fruit, Lee jujube, in case people, assuming everybody can see those leaves, you know what they are. Yeah, it is a jungle, but today's Memorial Day. Everyone have a blessed day off, and thank the people who fought for our country. Have a good day. Bye.